Hey, what's up guys? It's Texuma talking to you here, and today I've got something special for you. Well, as you know, I went on a vacation and that's why I didn't have any videos during the weekend after WWDC. But I went to another country and they had something available there that here in Portugal we don't have, and it was the HomePod Mini. So I got this beast for $99 or 99 euros, and it's incredible, and I will unbox that for you today to watch, and I will set it up to show you how cool it is. I'll give you some b-roll and stuff, and I will have a review coming in the next weeks. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing. Let's get started. Let's just start the unboxing. Rip out this little plastic here. Turn. So this plastic should just come off. And that's it. We don't need you anymore. And as you can see here, we first breaking the seal of this new HomePod Mini, and it's quite exciting. I'm quite excited. Get rid of this. Don't need it. And here you go, the HomePod Mini. Let's just lift up the box. Kind of slow. Here you go, the HomePod Mini. It looks dirty on the box. Does it smell bad? Doesn't smell like anything. But here you go, the HomePod Mini. As you can see here, it's quite small. It looks like it's not like a tennis ball. It's bigger than a tennis ball. It's like the size of a baseball ball, and it's kind of beautiful. But let's put it out to the side and see what we have left on the box. Let's lift off this part here, and we have the instructions for the HomePod Mini. Nothing special, just like how to set it up. And we got a power cable. 18 or 20 watt, I'm not sure. It's a 20 watt power cable. So my first one, I did not have any, and it comes with a HomePod Mini, but it doesn't come with the iPhone, so strange how this works. But my first 20 watt Apple power brick. And in terms of anything, that's it. That's the unboxing for the HomePod Mini. Nothing special. Quite beautiful. The HomePod Mini is great. It features a mesh-like material and it feels very soft. The size of almost a baseball ball. It's big but not huge like the old HomePod. It's mini, so it fits everywhere you want to. The sound is incredible, and I gotta tell you, I like this display on the top. I like the gestures, I like everything about it. I like the sound, I like everything. My father was very surprised when he heard it for the first time, and you will too, because this small speaker produces an incredible sound. But I haven't reviewed it yet, I just got it for a few hours. So you excuse me, and I will have to take more time to give you my full opinion on it. But first impressions, it's incredible, it's great, I love it. I got the black color because the white gets pretty dirty. So I want it to look fresh and clean for all of its lifetime. So the HomePod Mini is just incredible and I love it. So let's set it up. So guys, here it is. It's plugged in now, and as you know, it's flashing because it's trying to connect. So as you can see here, let me just increase my iPhone screen light. Here we have HomePod Mini. We can start the configuration. Let's put it on my escritório. And let's start recognizing my voice. Personal requests and Siri for everyone. Accept. Transfer files, center HomePod Mini, and we just center it out. And here you go. It's making some noises and it's starting the configuration. And when it's ready, I will cut it out to then. It's ready now, and
Hi,
as you can
I'm
see
Siri.
here,
Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, here's a station just for you.
So, okay, it's ready now, and I don't want it to play any music, so I want it to stop. As you saw, I can increase the sound and decrease it on my HomePod. So I just press it out on the minus or on the plus icon, and that's HomePod Mini for you. You can talk to Siri and you can play some music with it. And I think it's funny. If you can't see right now, I'm speaking and the lights are changing by the tone of my voice, which is quite incredible. I bought this because I want a good speaker for here, for my setup, for my iMac, for my iPhone. I want to play some music with it, and I'm going to go out to live on my own in a few months, hopefully, and I want to have a good speaker in my university bedroom. So it wasn't cheap, it wasn't very expensive either. It's a great smart speaker, the HomePod Mini, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have a review on the next week or two, and please leave a like, please don't forget to subscribe. This is Tech Sumer talking to you here. Bye!